This love of Radharani is so mystifying that I can't, if I try to understand you. So Krishna, Sarvagya, all-knowing Krishna, he couldn't understand his, not wife, but his consort, he couldn't understand Radharani either. So we can't understand the wife. The only way you can understand the wife is what? If you become the wife. And the only way you can understand your husband if you become the husband. So Krishna figured that out also. So he did it. He says, I must understand Radharani, the mysteries of her love, the greatness of her love, the happiness she's feeling by serving me and loving me. I'm the enjoyer. I'm the center. And she's offering everything to me at my feet. And I'm smiling, I'm enjoying, I'm happy. I'm the recipient of her love. I'm the prem vishay. I'm the object of her love. And she's the premashray, the shelter and reservoir of love. But I'm the one, I'm receiving, I'm on the receiving end. But I feel happy. Everyone feels happy. Oh yes, fan me. Yes, oh yes, yes. Sir, would you like more food? Yes, more of this. Everyone loves to be served. This is the nature. We want to be the center. Yes, yes, rub my back. Yes, yes, rub my back. Squeeze my feet. Yes, yes. Yes, fan me. Yes, yes. Turn down the AC. Yes. Yes, bring me a drink. Everyone wants to give command, take charge. So Krishna, he didn't want to leave it at that. He didn't want to just leave it like, okay, I can't understand my wife or my girlfriend, so, and I never will, so anyway, let's make the best use of a bad marriage and carry on somehow or other. He said, no, I have to understand. Because when I'm receiving all this service from her and enjoying so much, and she's serving me, there's such a wonderful devotee as Radharani. She's such a worshipper. She's Radha, Aradhanam. Aradhana means worship. Radhika. Radhika means one who's expert at Aradhanam. Radhika. And she's such an expert worshipper and satisfies me to the utmost extreme in all departments, in all ways. Cooking and this pleasure, Rati Keli, and every dancing, singing, everything. I love her voice, I love her form, I love her behavior, her moods, everything about Radharani I love unlimitedly. And I'm enjoying every aspect of her being, her humor, her everything. But I see that I'm smiling from ear to ear, but she's smiling 360 degrees. 360 degrees means a circle, right? I'm smiling here to here, right? We have a phrase in English. He's smiling ear to ear. This is one ear, that's in. He's happy, right? Smiling ear to ear. It's an expression. It means he's broadly smiling. He's very happy. Bodhanand. Ulas. But Radharani's smiling all the way around, all sides. I can perceive that Radharani is experiencing more happiness than me. By serving me, by being my absolute slave, she's relishing more than me. What is this? I'm the enjoyer. I'm receiving all the attention. I'm getting all the affection. I'm getting all the service. She's getting all the benefit. How? And then he says, Radharani, I can see that I'm feeling millions of times happiness from your service and in your association and with your affection, but I can see that you're so effulgent and so radiant that you're experiencing 10 million times more happiness by serving me than I am by enjoying. Now this is something mystical, inconceivable in this world. How is it that your peon is enjoying 100 times more than you are? Is it conceivable materially? Never. Impossible. But here, in the spiritual realm, and this, what I'm describing about Radha and Krishna, Krishna is, Bhagavan is the supreme controller. He is the supreme enjoyer. Yet he's seeing that his supreme servant is enjoying more than he. Therefore Krishna said, Radharani, I want to become you. I want to understand There's these three things. There's one verse that describes this. That